Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 24th March current affairs. Welcome to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, today that is March 24th, we will celebrate or we will observe it as a World Tuberculosis Day. Here, why we have to celebrate this day or why we have to observe this day? That is, on this day in the year 1882, Dr. Robert Koch announced the discovery of the bacteria that causes tuberculosis. It paved the way for diagnosis and cure for this deadly diseases. It is a deadly diseases. Here, the theme for the World TB Day 2021 is "The clock is ticking." The clock is ticking conveys the sense that the world is running out of time to act on the commitments to end the TB made by global leaders. Here, what is the stand of India? India has committed to end TB by 2025, 5 years ahead of the global targets. If you see the picture from 2015, it started. By 2030, world is committed to end that tuberculosis, but before 5 years before the global target, India has committed to end by 2025. That is about World Tuberculosis Day. Next one, Pranith. Here, Pranith is a Power Grid Corporation of India. Power Grid, it is a central PSU under the Ministry of Power, has established an e-tendering portal, that is Pranith. Here, it will lead to less paperwork and ease of operation and making the tendering the process more transparent. Here, it has been certified by the Standardization, Testing and Quality Certification Directorate, that is STQC, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. That is, Pranith is a e-tendering portal for power grid or power. Next one, parosmia. Here, parosmia, it is like some people may experience parosmia as a symptom of COVID-19. Here, parosmia is a medical term used to describe a condition in which affected individuals experience distortions of the sense of smell. Here, the exact meaning or the definition of this parosmia is distortions of the sense of the smell. Here, parosmia is a temporary condition, but it is not a harmful. Here, a person with parosmia can detect certain odors, but they might experience the smell of certain things as different and often unpleasant. That's why this symptom or parosmia is a symptom of COVID-19. Next one, Freedom Pineapple. What is Freedom Pineapple? Here, before going to know about this article, we have to see the two countries, that is China and Taiwan. Here, there is, if you see, the ties between these two countries are very deteriorating or very less. Why? Because ties between China and Taiwan, which have historically been rocky over issues such as sovereignty, foreign relations, and military buildup, are now being tested by pineapples also. Why? Because on March 1st, China banned the import of pineapples from Taiwan, alleging there was a risk of harmful creatures that could threaten its own agriculture, that is, own China agriculture. It is claiming that it is a imported that pineapples are having these harmful creatures, that's why they banned the pineapples. But in reality, it is like a pressure on the Taiwan. But Taiwan's Prime Minister also urged like-minded friends around the globe to stand with Taiwan, rally behind the Freedom Pineapple. That is about Freedom Pineapple in Taiwan. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam.